YouTube, Eric DIY with another video review for you. Today we're going to review the Wnnideo Camping Backpacking Stove. So as you can see, the camping stove comes compact, and that actually comes with a carrying bag which fits the whole thing in. It just has some drawstrings, but it's very compact. It's very good for camping. So we're going to show you how to put this thing all together. First off, it comes in many different pieces. You have a top layer here. This is what goes on top. You don't need to put that down right away. You have this piece with the big circles. That's going to go on the bottom. You have another piece on the inside, which is where you're going to put your tinder, leaves, etc., etc. And then you have the top of it, which has these little venting holes right here. The venting holes are going to go towards the top. They're going to go on the base of the unit. Then you're going to stick the tinder tray, or the fuel tray as they call it. You're going to stick that down there and just push it all the way down until it's on the bottom. Then you're going to get some tinder and you're going to start the fire. We have some dry leaves in the camping stove. And we're going to try this fire starter, this saw part, which I cleaned off, hopefully well enough. We're going to try to get a fire started in there. Gonna have to cheat a little bit today because the leaves are wet on the inside of the camping stove. But I have a ball of dryer lint, which is basically cotton, and some Vaseline on it. So here we go. And we got our fire started. All right, let's get some sticks.
All right, but not me.
And we're gonna add some sticks to keep this burning. And we're just gonna put the top on, just to show you what it would look like. And you just pop them right up, these little pot holder things. You also can use this little extender here. Just pop that out. Then you could just use it like this if you have a big pot or a pan that goes on top, or if you have a smaller pot or pan or like a mug or something, you can connect these things on the edges and you could have a nice cup of coffee right on top. You just put it on top of the camping grill. Zach wanted to roast some marshmallows, and we have our camping stove working. Zach and I are roasting marshmallows on our front yard, having a great time with the camping stove. So overall, the Wnnideo camping grill did an awesome job, especially for roasting marshmallows. Zach, what did you like about it?
I like roasting marshmallows, and it was very cool when we did it.
And the fire stayed lit the whole time, right?
Right.
Yeah, it's an awesome buy. And that is my review of the Wnnideo Camping Backpacking Stove. If you'd like to purchase your own, please look for a link in the description below. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your own. And as always, have a great evening. Right, Zach?
Right.
All right, we're going to enjoy some marshmallows. Have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.